The highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series is on the verge of being unveiled, with recent leaks providing detailed insights into the lineup's features and color variants. Leaked images reveal that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will be available in black, purple, white, and yellow color options. Both models showcase slim bezels around the display and feature a triple camera setup on the back. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, is expected to offer black, gray, violet, and yellow color choices and may include a titanium frame for added durability. Renowned leaker Evan Blass has shared an image on the X platform disclosing the launch date for the Galaxy S24 series. According to the leak, the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled for January 18, 2024 at 3 o'clock a.m. The image hints at the arrival of Galaxy AI, showcasing AI-powered functionalities with a sparkling emoji animation similar to Google Bard, possibly indicating the inclusion of Bard-like features in the Galaxy S24 smartphones. In addition, AT&T's website has revealed the model numbers for both carrier-locked and factory-unlocked versions of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. All three phones are rumored to feature a 12-megapixel selfie camera within a discrete punch-hole display cutout. Premium features include Gorilla Glass armor protection, stereo speakers, an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint reader, IP68 water and dust resistance, NFC, Samsung Pay, and a USB 3.2 Type-C port. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus may globally use the Exynos 2400 processor, except for Canada, China, and the US, which could feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset worldwide. Camera specifications vary across the models. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are expected to offer a 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera supporting 3x optical zoom and OIS. The S24 Ultra could feature a 200-megapixel primary rear camera alongside a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and OIS, and a 50-megapixel telephoto enabling 5x optical zoom and OIS. In terms of display, the Galaxy S24 features a 6.1-inch screen, the S24 Plus a 6.7-inch screen, and the S24 Ultra a 6.8-inch screen, all expected to offer QHD Plus resolution, HDR10 Plus, and 2600 nits peak brightness. Battery capacities vary as well, with the S24 packing a 4,000 mAh battery, the S24 Plus a 4,900 mAh, and the S24 Ultra a 5,000 mAh battery. Wireless charging capabilities are set at 15 watt and reverse wireless charging at 4.5 watt for all three models. However, wired fast charging differs, with the S24 supporting 25 watt and the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra capable of 45 watt fast wired charging. All three phones are slated to run on Android 14-based One UI 6.1, offering various new AI features.